Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a video that was requested by several of you guys, and I'm really excited because this is my first makeup PR that was sent to me by Merit Beauty. So they send it in this box right here, and I'm gonna show you the products in just a second. But I'm really excited to get this because this makeup line is vegan, cruelty-free. It's considered a clean makeup, and it's perfect for like a minimalistic. So if you are minimalistic and you just want a few products to use on your face and you want to go for more the natural look, I think the concept behind it is really awesome. So I was very curious to try out their makeup line and see what I think about it and give you guys an honest review. And they do call this kit the 5-minute minimalistic makeup routine. I did get the whole kit, like all the items that they have. They do have other makeup items, but this is like the kit that it comes in together. You can purchase them separately, but I will leave everything in the description box if you guys are interested. But I'm gonna get right into it because as you can see, my face is bare. I don't have anything on my face. So I thought this would be a perfect time to try out their makeup and let you guys know what I think. So let's get right into it. First off, like I said, it comes in this box. And when you open it up, I love the fact that it says less is more. It comes with this little card and it says the antidote to the oversaturated world of beauty. Merit Minimalistic Beauty. It does come in this cute little corduroy style bag. So in this video, I'm only gonna use their products because I love the idea behind it. I wanted to see how it wears together and how the end product will look. It comes with this brow pomade. There's a brush. This is a blending brush. There's a clean lash lengthening mascara. The shade stick. This is a tinted lip oil. There's the Day Glow, which is a hydrating balm. And this is the Minimalistic Perfecting Complexion Stick. I got it in the shade cream, if you guys are wondering. And then this is a flush balm. Call it a cheek color. And it's basically a blush. So we're gonna start off with the complexion stick. So it's kind of like a foundation / concealer. So it looks like this, and I have to say their packaging is really nice. Like it looks very high end and really great quality. So it looks like this. This is how it looks. This one, I got it in the shade cream, and I'm gonna apply this as is. So I'm just gonna put it wherever I usually put concealer. And if you guys been watching my videos lately, you guys know that I haven't been really doing my makeup a lot lately. And if I do, it's really natural. And that's only because lately it's just been very hard for me to like do my makeup. I get overwhelmed fast because I have a 2-year-old. Sometimes it just does not work. So having this like a 5-minute makeup routine to me is really awesome. In order to blend this out, I am gonna use their blending brush. They call this the brush number 1. And this is how the brush looks. I really like it. It's really nice and sleek. I think this is also perfect for like traveling. Feeling it, it feels really nice and soft. I have to say, I love it. So far, this is going good. So I'm just gonna apply this and blend it out. One thing I have to say that I noticed that it does set quite fast. So with this, I would recommend that you apply it and blend it out because it sets quite fast. So far, I'm really loving it. It's blending out really nicely. The concealer is a little bit more of a like a cream, thicker consistency, and I actually really like it. I love the fact that it's blending out quite nicely. It is not a full coverage. I don't know if you guys can tell through the screen, but it's not a full coverage. It's more like a light to medium coverage. Like I said, I like the more natural look to my makeup lately. So I honestly don't mind that at all. I am gonna put a little bit on my eyelids just because my eyelids are, I feel like a little discoloration on my eyelids just because I haven't been getting a lot of sleep lately. I've been really tired. If you guys can give me any tips on weaning a toddler, please let me know. I'm still currently breastfeeding my baby. And lately she's been getting up in the middle of the night more often than usual. And it's really hard for me because last night she woke up like 4 times and it's just really frustrating. All she does is just wake up and breastfeed for like 30 minutes and then go back to sleep. And I feel like I'm back to having almost like a newborn, and it's honestly, it's overwhelming because she is 2. I'm trying to wean her off, but honestly, I don't know how to do it. I feel like I'm lost because with my oldest daughter, I did breastfeed her, but I stopped breastfeeding her when she was 1. No, when she was 1.5. And my baby girl is 2 years old and she will not give up her breastfeeding. Like for nothing. No matter what, she will scream and get crazy until she gets it. So far, guys, I have to say this is amazing. I'm really loving it. I'm gonna use the mirror because I feel like looking through the screen is kind of hard. I'm only gonna apply it just a little bit more where I see like some redness. But overall, guys, I have to say this is really awesome. I like the fact that it's more of a light to medium coverage, and it does build up quite nicely. So I did add a second layer on certain parts of my face, as you can see, and it doesn't cake up or anything. I have to say that I'm actually really loving it because applying it, it does still look like my natural skin. Like it looks like my bare face, and you can't tell that I have makeup on, which is really awesome. It's really rare when I say that when it comes to any like foundation, concealer. Then we are going to move on to the blush. So this is the Flush Balm. And they do have these in multiple shades. I got the more natural one. This one is called Beverly Hills. I, to be honest with you, don't usually wear blush. And when I do, it's more of a natural blush. I don't really like the pink or bright colors. For me, I just don't think it suits my skin tone. So I got the more natural one. I think this is a beautiful color. So I'm just going to use my fingers like so. And it's actually quite pigmented, but I feel like it's going to blend out because it is like a blush balm. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. I'm gonna use my fingers to blend it out. Usually with the blush like this, I always use my fingers. And I had blush balms in the past from, I believe, e.l.f. And honestly, I did not like it. So I really like this one. It's more of a natural blush, as you can see. And it's giving me a nice glow. I really like that glow. So far, I'm actually loving this blush. Guys, if you know me, I'm very picky with blushes. I either love it or hate it. There's like no gray area for me when it comes to blushes. This is really nice. Like it gives me a nice flush of color, but it's not like visible where you could tell I'm wearing blush, if you know what I mean. I prefer it that way. And I have to say, guys, I really love the way it looks. It's so nice and sleek. Alrighty, moving on, I'm gonna use their Day Glow, which is their highlighting balm. And I got this one in the shade Kava. They have other shades available. Actually, they have another shade. I forget the name, but it's a little bit darker. I got the lighter one, so it looks like this. It looks really beautiful, so I'm actually excited to try this one. If you guys don't know, I love highlighters, but I'm more into the natural looking highlighters. I'm not into like the blinding highlighters or the ones where you could tell there's like glitter or chunks of glitter. I'm just not, it's not my thing. I just feel like it sits on my skin in a very weird way. It just does not look good on me. So I'm excited to try this. I'm just gonna apply it like so. And then I'm gonna use my fingers to blend it out. Look at that, guys. What? Oh my gosh. This one I would say is very similar to the, which one is that? I forget the name. I'm gonna put it here. But it's very similar, like the style, how it looks. And I'm getting like the same look to it. One thing I love about this makeup line is that you really don't need brushes, like besides blending this out with the blending brush that it comes with. You really don't need to, because everything actually blends out quite nice. So let's see. You see that, how it just like melts into my skin? I didn't have to do much, and that glow is just gorgeous. I have to say, I am loving it so far. It's a nice glow, so it looks like you're glowing from within. Moving on to this brow volumizing pomade. I have tried a pomade in the past before by Essence, and honestly, I did not like it. A lot of people like it, but the packaging is really nice. I love the way it looks, so nice and sleek and high-end. This one is in the color brown. So far, I'm really liking this. because it does kind of fill it in right here. I don't know if you guys notice right here, it kind of darkened up a bit. And I like that. It looks more like natural. As you can see, it comes from dark to light, from light to darkest. For some reason, guys, no matter what, this one is always higher than this brow. I honestly, it's always been that way, and I learned to love it. You know, like they say, brows are sisters, and they're not twins. Anyways, I'm gonna do this one now. So this is how it looks, and I have to say, guys, I actually really love this. So far, I'm loving it. I feel like this is gonna become like my everyday makeup routine whenever I want like a quick makeup routine. This is amazing. I actually really love the way it shaped my brows, as you can see. Really love it. I'm very curious to try their mascara. This is the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. But before that, I will use the my eyelash curler. This is by e.l.f. If you guys are wondering where this top is from, because I know I will get asked where this is from. This is actually from Walmart, $6. I'll link it down below. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then we're gonna move on to mascara. So we have our eyelashes prepped and ready to go. Here's the mascara. I'm actually really excited to try mascaras. I love trying new mascaras and see how they do. My lashes are actually naturally quite long. With mascara, again, it's the same thing. I usually love it or hate it. So we will see. This is how the mascara looks. Again, very sleek, really nice and high-end looking. I really love it. So this is how the one looks like. This is just in the color black. They only have one type of mascara. Oh my gosh, I think this will be my new favorite mascara. I absolutely love it. I just applied so far one coat, and I just love that it's so lengthening. And I know that this is a lengthening mascara, but it truly lengthens your lashes. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see like the difference of that? It is amazing. I absolutely love it. And I love the fact that it also separates them so they don't clump up. Now I'm gonna use 2 coats and let you guys know what I think, because with mascara, I always use 2 coats regardless. Do you guys see that? Like, do you guys see that? This is crazy. For 1 coat, I am loving this. How it separates them is just amazing. Do you guys see how nicely separated my lashes are? That almost never happens with any mascara that I have ever tried. Let me know, guys, like, what is your favorite makeup product that you love the most? For me, it's lip products and mascara. I absolutely love mascara because with mascara, you don't have to wear a lot of makeup. And when you apply the mascara, it just instantly looks like you did so much to your face, but you just applied mascara. And that's kind of like my trick whenever I do like really light makeup. Just give you guys a close-up so you guys can see. Do you see how nicely they are separated? So far, I am so impressed. Before we go back to the mascara, I'm gonna try the lip oil. This is the shade stick, and it's called the Tinted Lip Oil. And they have like 5 or 6 shades. I got the more natural one because this is the one that really spoke to me. I've been really into like that nude natural colors. And this one is called All Natural. Really beautiful. And this is a lip oil, guys. I always smell my lip products. It doesn't really have a smell at all. Like, it actually doesn't have any smell. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at this. It's like a natural, kind of looks like your lips, but better. And it makes your lips look really nice and healthy. I feel like they do get a little bit more plump and juicy looking. I hope you guys know what I mean. Like, my lips look really juicy. And I love the shine, guys. If you don't know, I'm very picky with like lip gloss or anything that's shining on my lips. Either I love it or hate it, again, just because I feel like certain products, they look shiny in a way that looks more like oily and greasy rather than beautiful and shiny. You know what I mean? This one I really love. I'm actually thinking of getting the the one that they have in the shade red. I don't know if it's called red, but it's the red tone that they have, and I'm really thinking of getting that one because I love this so much. Like, you could tell it looks really nice and natural, nice shiny color, but it just makes your lips look so healthy. One word I can describe it, it looks really, really juicy. So I'm loving this. So we're gonna go back to the mascara because I do wanna put 2 coats. I am very curious to see how it layers. I think it's really important for a mascara to layer nicely. A lot of mascaras can work nicely for the first coat, and then the second time you're kind of just like, what just happened, you know? So we're gonna apply the second coat. Just so you guys know, for my bottom lashes, I always just use whatever's remaining. I don't put it back in and apply for my bottom lashes because I don't like my bottom lashes looking like super crazy. And how I apply my mascara on my bottom lashes is I kind of slightly touch the lash line, so that way it kind of gives me like a smoky eye look. So it does kind of look like I have some type of eyeliner underneath my eye, but I really don't. This is the second coat, so here's 2 coats. And here is 1 coat. Very big difference, really nice. It makes my eye really pop. So far I'm loving it. So let me show you guys how it looks with 2 coats. Have to say, this is probably gonna be my new favorite mascara. Really nice. I love the fact that it really lengthens my lashes. Like, look guys, look how nice and long they are. Like I said guys, I do have naturally long lashes, but they did lengthen quite a bit. I feel like there's like a lot of drama. So out of all the makeup items that I use, I would have to say that the mascara and the lip oil is my favorite, but I love everything. And I have to say their makeup line is really amazing. I'm very impressed. The fact that it's like a clean makeup line. If you guys thought of picking it up, I do recommend you do. And I think it's a perfect gift if you are wanting to get a really nice gift for your loved one or loved ones, and you know they love makeup. Maybe you should have them try this. I think they will love it. It's just beautiful. Super, super impressed, guys. I have to say, I really love this. I am so glad that Merit sent this makeup to me. So I personally want to say thank you to Merit for sending me their makeup products for me to review for you guys. If you guys don't know, Merit is sold on their website and also at Sephora. If you don't want to buy the kit, you can buy them separately, but I have to say this is gonna be like my favorite new makeup routine that I'm gonna probably do every single day. I do like to do my makeup, but I like to be quick about it. I used to be that person that would love to take my time with makeup and just, you know, do all sorts of crazy eye looks, and I still do occasionally. Like, sometimes you guys will still see me doing that. But for now, I can only do my makeup like really fast and kind of minimalistic. So this is the reason why this actually turned me on to getting it and trying it, because I love the idea behind it. The mascara did dry already and it does hold the curl. Mascara is not a waterproof, but for it not being waterproof and it still holds the curl is a big deal. Let me tell you guys, I have tried so many mascaras and all of them will not hold the curl. No matter how many times I curl my lashes and I apply the mascara, after I apply it, they fall down and you don't see the mascara anymore. It's kind of like flat. You guys know what I mean. Unless you use like a waterproof mascara, it will not hold the curl. No matter what it says, it does not do it for me. This is the only one that I noticed that it holds my curl. This is really impressive to me. I'm like blown away right now. You guys have no idea. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And I am thinking of doing like more makeup videos in the future. Let me know if you guys are interested. Give me maybe some ideas, or if you guys want a certain type of video that you want me to do. Maybe like makeup favorites, I don't know, top lipstick favorites that are like my top 10 favorite lipsticks of all time, something like that. You guys let me know what you want me to do. I always wanted to incorporate more makeup into my channel because I love to play with makeup. So that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you guys are still watching, you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.